10 Powerful Secrets to Get Rich Faster. A hushed conversation between two titans, a venture catalyst and an investing mogul. It isn't just idle chit-chat about money. It's about strategies, secrets unearthed over decades that have the potential to mold mere financial aspirations into vast empires of wealth. Isn't that what we're all hunting for? A way to metamorphose our dreams of affluence into palpable fortune? The following discourse dissects not only run-of-the-mill economic theories, but dives deep into the vortex where only a few lucrative secrets reside, ready to expedite your journey towards that elusive financial independence. In an era where opportunities aggrandize, yet competition simultaneously tightens its grip, understanding how to expedite your wealth-building process is paramount. In this essay, we will unfurl the financially effluent therapies, infused with robust strategies, and a mindset tailored to speed up your economic growth, thereby cutting years, even decades, off your path to riches. Enjoying this content? Don't miss out on future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us. Master the art of financial literacy. Financial literacy is the cornerstone of wealth. It's about understanding the numbers, how money is made, spent, saved, and invested. The financially literate can decode the complexities of market trends, balance risk versus reward, and make informed decisions that compound over time. Financial education should not just be an elective in life's curriculum, it should be mandatory. The world of finance is no less intricate than a web spun by an industrious spider. Every thread is connected, and understanding these connections equates to making more informed, effective financial decisions. The reality is simple: those who understand money control it. From reading the fine print on investment prospects to deciphering the implications of economic policies on personal finances, every bit of knowledge counts. Harness the power of compounding. Albert Einstein once remarked that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Compounding can work miracles over extended periods. The key is beginning early and being consistent. Imagine you start saving a modest amount and let it grow at a compound interest rate. With each passing year, not only does your investment grow, but it grows at an increasing rate, as it earns interest on both the principal and the accrued interest. This is the real game changer. Thus, whether it is investing in stocks, bonds, or any other asset class, recognizing and maximizing the potential of compounding can significantly hasten your journey to wealth. Invest in your means to earn. If there's a secret sauce to getting rich, it's this: invest in yourself. Your ability to earn is by far your greatest asset. Whether it's enhancing your education, acquiring new skills, or maintaining robust health, investing in yourself has the highest returns. It's not just about dressing the part or having the right tools for the job. It's about breaking the ceiling of your earnings through continuous self-improvement. Each skill you add to your repertoire can incrementally boost your potential income. Moreover, in a rapidly evolving job market, the more versatile and adaptable you are, the more invaluable you become. This isn't just about survival, it's about thriving financially. Create multiple income streams. The case for multiple income streams is robust and straightforward. It is risky to rely on a single income source. The financially astute cultivate various income streams: passive income, active income, and portfolio income. Diversifying your income ensures that the downfall of one stream won't cripple your financial stability. For example, rental income from real estate, dividends from investments, and earnings from a side business can create a financial buffer and increase overall cash flow. Each stream adds a layer of financial security and brings you closer to your goal of wealth accumulation rapidly. The journey to becoming rich is not just about how much you earn, but also about how you earn it. Live below your means, but think above your reality. This principle is dually potent. Living below your means ensures that you are not exhausting your resources, thereby providing surplus capital for investments. Thinking above your reality, however, propels the vision to expand, aspire, and achieve more. The magic lies in balancing prudence with ambition. It's about being grounded in your financial habits, yet limitless in your financial goals. The economy rewards those who are cautious enough not to squander, but bold enough to aim high. Budgeting, therefore, becomes not just a tool to constrain, but a strategy to liberate financial resources towards more lucrative avenues. Maximize your employment benefits. Many employees overlook the benefits that come bundled with their jobs. From health insurance to retirement plans to stock options, there is a wealth of resources that your employment may offer. Understanding and maximizing these can significantly cut personal expenses and boost your financial well-being. For instance, if your company offers a matching contribution on your 401k, it's akin to receiving free money which should not be left on the table. It's crucial to fully utilize these benefits as part of a holistic strategy to wealth accumulation. After all, each saved dollar is as good as a dollar earned. Real estate investment has long been heralded as a lucrative pathway to wealth. Whether it's flipping houses, acquiring rental properties, or investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, the potential for substantial financial returns is high. Moreover, real estate not only offers potential capital appreciation, but can also provide a steady stream of passive income through rentals. It's a tangible asset which, despite market fluctuations, tends to appreciate over the long term. The key is understanding the market dynamics, recognizing undervalued properties, and managing them effectively. One of the vital aspects of wealth creation is embracing risks. However, the emphasis lies on calculated risks. Knowing when to take risks and how much risk to integrate into your financial decisions is the hallmark of a savvy investor. This involves due diligence and a thorough analysis of potential outcomes. It's not about gambling, it's about making well-informed decisions that could potentially offer high rewards. As the saying goes, no risk, no reward. However, it's essential to understand that this doesn't advocate reckless financial behavior, but highlights the importance of strategic risk-taking. The financial world is not static. It is a beehive of continuous activity. Those who stay informed and adapt to changes invariably stay ahead. Whether it's fluctuations in the stock market, changes in tax laws, or emerging investment opportunities, staying updated could mean the difference between a missed chance and a lucrative investment. In an ever-evolving economic landscape, continuous learning and a flexibility to adapt can significantly enhance your financial acuity and decision-making skills. This, in turn, leads to more effective wealth accumulation strategies. In the marketplace of life, knowledge is not just power, it's profit. In the world of wealth creation, who you know often matters as much as what you know. Networking isn't merely about socializing, it's about connecting with people who can open doors to new opportunities and offer insights into investment strategies. It's about building relationships that provide mutual benefits, learning from peers, and possibly finding mentors. The influence of a robust network can be profound, impacting everything from accessing capital to finding ideal business partners. Leverage your networks to steer clear pathways through the dense thicket of the financial world, enhancing your ability to build wealth swiftly. In sum, accelerating your journey to wealth is less about a secret formula and more about a calculated, informed approach infused with diligence and foresight. Start with these 10 secrets, and let your financial endeavors be as dynamic and expansive as your ambitions. Imagine being privy to a secret conversation between a billionaire and a financial guru, where they discuss not just the mechanics of making money, but the less talked about strategies that accelerate wealth accumulation. This is not about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about understanding and leveraging financial principles that have stood the test of time, combined with a modern twist that aligns with today's fast-paced, technology-driven world. We invite you on a journey through 10 powerful secrets that can help you build wealth faster than you ever thought possible. In a world where financial advice is often generic, we delve into the specific, sometimes counterintuitive strategies that can catapult your financial growth. This essay is your guide through the maze of investment options, economic theories, and personal finance tips toward a clearer path to financial success.